I share with people when we have our meetings, people find it odd that I don't go into all the technical aspects of things. We get to that. But if we don't align on our beliefs, we're never going to have a great experience where we serve our client in a way that they want, because they wanted something different. So we lead with this to ensure that it's mutual. And what I do find, where I share with them, and I do share with them, I share our core beliefs, and I'm going to share them with you. Number one is extreme ownership. Number two is extreme accountability. These are not flexible. These are not negotiable. We are here to make our clients' businesses better. We are here to have a positive impact. That's extremely important. Persistence is a big one. Our processes and workflows for follow-up and for client satisfaction I've yet to have anybody come into a meeting with us. And I do ask everybody, is your current provider doing these things? And their answer is no. What we do, with the consistency and persistence that we do it, to deliver customer satisfaction. We are definitely top tier with that. We're in a business where we need to be cutting edge at all times. We need to lead, not just with technology, but we need to lead with understanding what's changing in the world around us, cybersecurity, what's changing in cloud, what's evolving with AI, how can we better offer solutions and strategic guidance to our clients. I'm sharing all this with you because this is the way that we think. It's uncommon, but our service delivery is uncommon. Our results are uncommon. But the thing is, if you want to step ahead, not be part of the crowd, and if you want to stand out in your own business, whether you're a lawyer, you're an accounting firm, it doesn't matter. You probably want to step out. You want to stand out so that when your potential clients are coming to you, you have the peace of mind and you know that your technology is so strong that it's designed to make your business better, faster, smoother, help you work smarter, not harder, and ultimately deliver the best end results to your clients.